According to the National Electrical Code, it is not permissible for a building's main breaker to function as the main breaker for an individual apartment panel. Article 230.70 stipulates that every service, feeder, and branch circuit must be protected against overcurrent. Article 240.15b further states that a distribution panel board shall be provided with a main circuit breaker or other main overcurrent device that will disconnect all ungrounded conductors. Firstly, safety is a paramount concern. In the event of an electrical emergency, the ability to swiftly disconnect power to the apartment panel is crucial for the safety of the occupants. A dedicated main disconnect allows for immediate de-energization of the panel, mitigating potential hazards such as electrical shock or fire. Secondly, code compliance dictates the necessity of a main disconnect for every distribution panel board, as mandated by the National Electrical Code. Adhering to this requirement ensures that the electrical installation meets established safety standards and regulations. Thirdly, maintenance considerations necessitate a main disconnect. When servicing the apartment panel, a main disconnect enables the electrician to safely de-energize the entire panel without disrupting power to other apartments. This isolation is essential for performing repairs, upgrades, or troubleshooting without exposing other occupants to electrical hazards or causing unnecessary inconvenience. A proper solution involves installing a main disconnect specifically for the apartment panel, typically in the form of a main circuit breaker or fuse. The size of the main disconnect should be determined by the amperage rating of the panel and the electrical load it serves, ensuring adequate overcurrent protection for the apartment's electrical circuits. To reiterate, the National Electrical Code emphasizes the importance of overcurrent protection and disconnect means for electrical systems. Article 230.70 highlights the need to protect services, feeders, and branch circuits against overcurrents, while Article 240.15b specifically addresses the requirement for a main overcurrent device in distribution panel boards. These provisions are designed to enhance safety, facilitate maintenance, and ensure compliance with established electrical codes. When assessing the electrical system in an apartment building, it is crucial to verify that each apartment panel has its own main disconnect, independent of the building's main breaker. This configuration allows for localized control of power to the apartment, providing a critical safety feature in emergency situations and enabling safe maintenance procedures. Moreover, compliance with the National Electrical Code ensures that the electrical installation meets minimum safety standards and minimizes the risk of electrical hazards. To elaborate further, consider the scenario where an electrical fault occurs within an apartment panel. Without a dedicated main disconnect, the fault current could potentially propagate throughout the building's electrical system, affecting other apartments and potentially causing widespread disruption. Additionally, the absence of a main disconnect would impede the ability to quickly isolate the affected panel, prolonging the duration of the electrical fault and increasing the risk of damage to equipment or injury to occupants. In contrast, with a properly installed main disconnect, the apartment panel can be immediately isolated from the building's electrical system, limiting the impact of the fault and facilitating prompt repairs. The main disconnect acts as a critical safety barrier, preventing the spread of electrical faults and protecting the integrity of the overall electrical system. Furthermore, during routine maintenance or repairs, a main disconnect provides a safe and convenient means of de-energizing the apartment panel without disrupting power to other units. This isolation allows electricians to work on the panel with confidence, knowing that they are protected from electrical hazards. Without a main disconnect, maintenance activities would be significantly more challenging and potentially dangerous, requiring complex coordination and potentially affecting multiple apartments. In addition to safety and maintenance benefits, code compliance is a fundamental aspect of electrical installations. The National Electrical Code is a comprehensive set of standards that outlines the minimum requirements for safe and reliable electrical systems. Adhering to the NEC ensures that electrical installations are designed and installed in a manner that minimizes the risk of electrical hazards and protects both occupants and property. Failing to comply with the NEC can result in code violations, fines, and potential liability in the event of an electrical incident. Therefore, it is essential to prioritize code compliance in all electrical projects, including the installation of main disconnects for apartment panels. When selecting a main disconnect for an apartment panel, it is important to consider the amperage rating of the panel and the electrical load it serves. The main disconnect should be sized appropriately to provide adequate overcurrent protection for all of the circuits within the panel. Overcurrent protection devices, such as circuit breakers or fuses, are designed to interrupt the flow of electricity in the event of an overload or short circuit, preventing damage to equipment and reducing the risk of fire. The amperage rating of the main disconnect should be equal to or greater than the maximum current that the panel is expected to carry under normal operating conditions. This ensures that the main disconnect can effectively protect the panel and its circuits from overcurrents. In addition to the amperage rating, it is also important to consider the type of overcurrent protection device used in the main disconnect. Circuit breakers are commonly used in modern electrical panels, as they provide a convenient and reusable means of overcurrent protection. Circuit breakers can be easily reset after an overcurrent event, allowing for quick restoration of power. Fuses, on the other hand, are single-use devices that must be replaced after an overcurrent event. While fuses may offer slightly better overcurrent protection in some cases, they are generally less convenient than circuit breakers for residential applications. When installing a main disconnect, it is essential to follow all applicable electrical codes and safety guidelines. The installation should be performed by a qualified electrician who is familiar with the NEC and local electrical regulations. The electrician should carefully inspect the existing electrical system to ensure that it is in good condition and capable of handling the new main disconnect. The electrician should also verify that the main disconnect is properly grounded and bonded to the electrical system, as this is essential for safety. Once the main disconnect is installed, it should be tested to ensure that it is functioning properly. The electrician should verify that the main disconnect can effectively interrupt the flow of electricity in the event of an overcurrent and that it can be easily reset or replaced as needed. The electrician should also provide the homeowner or building owner with instructions on how to operate the main disconnect and what to do in the event of an electrical emergency. In summary, the installation of a main disconnect for an apartment panel is a critical safety measure that is required by the National Electrical Code. A main disconnect provides a means of quickly disconnecting power to the apartment panel in the event of an electrical emergency, facilitating safe maintenance procedures and ensuring compliance with established electrical codes. When selecting and installing a main disconnect, it is important to consider the amperage rating of the panel, the type of overcurrent protection device, and all applicable electrical codes and safety guidelines. The installation should be performed by a qualified electrician who can ensure that the main disconnect is properly installed and functioning correctly. By following these guidelines, homeowners and building owners can ensure the safety and reliability of their electrical systems and protect themselves and their occupants from electrical hazards. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, serves as a cornerstone for electrical safety in the United States. Regularly updated, it's a comprehensive set of standards governing electrical installations. Compliance with the NEC isn't just recommended, it's often legally mandated, ensuring that electrical systems are designed and installed to minimize risks. Article 230 pertains to services, covering the conductors and equipment that deliver electricity from the utility to the building's wiring system. Article 230.70a, specifically, underscores the critical need for overcurrent protection in every service, feeder, and branch circuit. This protection acts as a safeguard against excessive current flow, preventing overheating, damage to equipment, and potential fire hazards. Overcurrent protection devices, such as circuit breakers and fuses, are designed to automatically interrupt the circuit when the current exceeds a predetermined level. This interruption isolates the fault, preventing further damage and protecting the electrical system. Article 240 delves into overcurrent protection in more detail, outlining the requirements for various types of circuits and equipment. Article 240.15b focuses specifically on distribution panel boards, emphasizing the need for a main circuit breaker or other main overcurrent device. This main disconnect serves as the primary means of disconnecting all ungrounded conductors in the panel board. This provides a centralized control point for energizing the entire panel, enhancing safety during maintenance and emergencies. The requirement for a main disconnect in apartment panels is driven by several key considerations. Firstly, safety is paramount. Electrical emergencies can arise unexpectedly, posing significant risks to occupants. A main disconnect allows for the rapid isolation of the apartment's electrical system, mitigating potential hazards such as electrical shock or fire. In situations like a short circuit or damaged wiring, the ability to quickly de-energize the panel is crucial for preventing further damage and ensuring the safety of individuals in the vicinity. Secondly, code compliance is essential. The NEC mandates a main disconnect for every distribution panel board, and this requirement extends to apartment panels. Adhering to the NEC ensures that the electrical installation meets minimum safety standards and complies with local regulations. Failure to comply with the NEC can result in fines, legal liabilities, and potential safety hazards. Thirdly, maintenance considerations necessitate a main disconnect. When servicing the apartment panel, electricians need a safe and reliable means of de-energizing the entire panel. A main disconnect allows them to isolate the panel from the building's electrical system, preventing accidental contact with live conductors and ensuring a safe working environment. Without a main disconnect, maintenance activities become significantly more complex and potentially dangerous, requiring extensive coordination and increasing the risk of electrical shock. The proper solution for addressing the lack of a main disconnect in an apartment panel involves installing a dedicated main circuit breaker or fuse. The size of the main disconnect should be determined by the amperage rating of the panel and the electrical load it serves. A qualified electrician can assess the panel's capacity and determine the appropriate size for the main disconnect. The installation process typically involves connecting the main disconnect to the panel's busbars and wiring it in accordance with the NEC. The main disconnect should be readily accessible and clearly labeled, allowing occupants and maintenance personnel to easily identify and operate it in case of an emergency. Regular inspection and maintenance of the main disconnect are also important. The disconnect should be visually inspected for any signs of damage or corrosion. The circuit breaker or fuse should be tested periodically to ensure that it is functioning properly. Any issues or concerns should be addressed promptly by a qualified electrician. In addition to the main disconnect, it is also important to ensure that the apartment panel is properly grounded and bonded. Grounding provides a low resistance path for fault current to flow back to the source, helping to protect against electrical shock. Bonding connects all metal parts of the electrical system together, ensuring that they are at the same electrical potential. Proper grounding and bonding are essential for electrical safety and are required by the NEC. Furthermore, consider arc fault circuit interrupters, or SIs, and ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs. SIs are designed to protect against arc faults, which are dangerous electrical conditions that can cause fires. GFCIs are designed to protect against ground faults, which can cause electrical shock. The NEC requires SIs and GFCIs in certain areas of the home, such as bedrooms and bathrooms. While the presence of SIs and GFCIs does not negate the need for a main disconnect, they provide an additional layer of protection against electrical hazards. In conclusion, the requirement for a main disconnect in apartment panels is a critical safety measure that is mandated by the National Electrical Code. A main disconnect provides a means of quickly disconnecting power to the apartment panel in the event of an electrical emergency, facilitating safe maintenance procedures and ensuring compliance with established electrical codes. By understanding the NEC requirements and implementing the proper solutions, homeowners, building owners, and electricians can ensure the safety and reliability of electrical systems and protect themselves and their occupants from electrical hazards. Remember, electrical work can be dangerous, and it's always best to consult with a qualified electrician for any electrical projects or repairs. They have the knowledge and expertise to ensure that the work is done safely and in accordance with the NEC and local regulations.